What do you want to be when you grow up? I am sure you were asked this question at least once when you were a youngster. When asked the question, did you have an answer at the ready? Or did you need a few minutes to think about it? Maybe you didn't know. Some of us had dreams of becoming something great, like a fireman, a teacher, or a rock star, just to name a few. Well, how did you do? Maybe you never aspired to be what you set out to be, or said that you would become. But then again, things change. The older we get, our tastes change. Our view of the world changes. Even our goals change. One of the most important lessons I've learned during my career path is to do something you love to do. Why is this important? You find yourself speaking passionately to others about your work. The experiences you have along the way become much more rewarding and enrich your life in many ways. You meet fascinating people. Unfortunately, we do not always get the job or career we always wanted, nor a linear career path. I know people who then have turned favorite hobbies into small businesses and have succeeded. Sure, they may have had to sacrifice a steady paycheck for their happiness, but not one of them either turned back or gave up. Their passion carried them through to success. Although sometimes turning a hobby into a job can become less enjoyable and the passion disappears. While no job or business is perfect, the important thing is to enjoy it, even learn from it. If you are unhappy in your current situation, why not take steps now to change it? Somewhere out there is a job or business that is perfect for you. I can tell you from experience that finding and doing what you love is absolutely worth it, every step of the way. The hardships, the struggles, the celebrations. All of the research, training and hands-on experience has made me a stronger, happier person, feeling in charge of my own destiny. Well, there just is no greater feeling. Do what you love and love what you do, whatever that may be. You'll be happier for it. You will never look back.